Let's see if we could watch the birds from the roof. They're buzzing the tower. I don't know how long they're going to go today. Yesterday went for 20 minutes, but as you can see, well, you can't see into the sun, but there's a few young ones that straggle. They're not really, I don't know if they're strays, like this one right here. That's my bird, but he's not flying in his stock. Well, she's not flying in his stock. But this is what they do around the neighborhood every morning at 6:30. But they need to really take off, or else I gotta start road training, because normally races start in about a week.